Well, we bought some cart caddies to pull our milk racks in our grocery stores that we deliver to, because they're 850-pound carts.
We looked at the cart caddies in order to solve the problem of ergonomically moving large pieces of equipment, things that are the size of 2 or 3 refrigerators up to the size of a 1-car or 2-car garage.
We was needing to push our kiln cars around the plant.
Prior to the DJ products, we moved things either by hand or we used forklifts to nudge the products across the plant, and which was a laborious and not the safest process.
We don't want to have the people get injured trying to push heavy cars up and down tracks, and that was why we looked into cart caddies.
We found the cart caddies to be an effective, simple way to move the large objects.
To me, it's a great safety tool.
They can be run by operators at relatively slow speeds. We have brought in approximately 5 DJ cart caddies to help us move larger, heavier items in our manufacturing facility. They're simple, easy to adjust, and so far they have met our needs and are in use at our factories.
Instead of pulling 1 or 2 carts to the cooler by hand, we can pull 6 with the carts we have now.
The experience has been very good. The equipment has met our expectations. We've had it here for about some of it for maybe 6 months and others for about 3 or 4 years. It continues to perform well.
It keeps our product moving.